things will go faster and we will disintegrate unless we show respect for various diversities existing in the country. Stop. That is what I wanted to say to the previous speaker and to the House in reply to what he said. Stop. The ostrich puts its head under the sand and feels it is safe. Stop here. This ostrich, the government keeps its head high and sees all disintegrate all around and is asking the ostrich, poor people of the country like us, to put their hands under the sand and feel that there is not danger. What a tragedy! Sign of interrogation. The ostrich, the governing party, ruling party, sees all danger around it, right from law and order to economic development and various aspects of the government, and it is asking this poor country that everything is safe and we are not in danger and that we are fast developing. Stop. This poor ostrich, the 100 crore people of the country, is being asked to put its head under the sand and feel safe. Stop. Para. How long this exercise will go on? Sign of interrogation. What are common people feeling today apart from what you say? Sign of interrogation. The president has chosen to touch two fundamental things, law and order. Stop. What is the position of law and order? Sign of interrogation. Country has never faced such a serious situation. Stop. The fundamental thing which keep a society in order is law and order. Stop. Why have we chosen to come to the society? Sign of interrogation. It is because I feel my life will be protected and whatever is my private property will be protected, and therefore I left the jungle and formed society. Stop. But these fundamental protections are being denied in the country. Stop. Nobody is feeling safe today. Stop. Why go to remotest areas? Sign of interrogation. Even in Delhi, nobody is feeling safe today. Stop. Law and order situation is fast deteriorating. Kindly do not be under any complacency. Stop. Take it as a warning. Unless we take proper care, unless law and order is properly preserved, no development can take place in any field, whether it is economic, education, health, or any field. Do you have any satisfaction out of it? Sign of interrogation. Not even in the ruling party you find this satisfaction. Stop. Para. I know from some friends from the ruling party who say, what is this law and order? Sign of interrogation. It was never so bad everywhere. You find such incidents. Stop. Only the other day there was a special mention made. Stop. Innocent children are being murdered and slaughtered in this country. Stop. Innocent children from the schools are being thrown into the Ganges after being murdered. Stop. What is this situation? Stop. One incident should have created havoc. Stop. But daily such incidents are taking place. Stop. We are unmoved. Stop.